Welcome back to Learning Math. In this video, we will talk about division of polynomials. Let's start with dividing monomial by a monomial. To divide a monomial by another monomial, divide the numerical coefficients, then subtract the literal coefficients by applying the laws of exponent. Examples. Number 1. 24 x raised to the fifth power divided by 4x cubed. So we will divide the numerical coefficient. So 24 divided by 4, that is equal to 6. Then apply natin yung law of exponent since pareho sila ng base. So we will copy the base. Then we will subtract the exponent. 5 minus 3, so we have 2. So this is now the final answer. So 6x squared. Number 2, 9x cubed y raised to the fourth power divided by 3x squared y squared. So divide muna natin yung numerical coefficient, then apply natin yung law of exponent. So 9 divided by 3, so we have 3. Then apply natin law of exponent, so we have x raised to 3 minus 2, then y raised to 4 minus 2. So we now have 3 x raised to 3 minus 2 is equal to x, then y raised to 4 minus 2 is equal to y squared. So the final answer is 3x y squared. Number 3, 64 x raised to the fifth power y squared z raised to the seventh power divided by 8x squared y raised to the eighth power z. So again, divide muna natin yung numerical coefficient, then apply natin ang law of exponent. So 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. Next, x raised to 5 minus 2, then y raised to 2 minus 8, then we have z raised to 7 minus 1. So we now have 8. X raised to 5 minus 2 is equal to x cubed, then y raised to 2 minus 8 is equal to y raised to negative 6. Then we have z raised to 7 minus 1 is z raised to 6. So, hindi pa to yung final answer kasi yung y ay negative yung exponent niya. So, kailangan gawin natin siyang positive. So, para maging positive to, susulat natin sa denominator. So, we now have 8x cubed z raised to the 6th power over y raised to the 6th power. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Next, dividing polynomial by a monomial. So, to divide a polynomial by a monomial, divide each term of the polynomial by the given divisor. Example number 1. 4x cubed minus 8x squared divided by 4x. So, simply divide each term of the polynomial by the given divisor, which is a monomial. So, magiging 4x cubed divided by 4x, then minus 8x squared divided by 4x. So, divide na natin yung 4x cubed sa 4x. So, 4x cubed divided by 4x is equal to x squared. So, bakit siya x squared? Kasi 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. So, understood na ang numerical coefficient nito ay 1. Then, apply natin yung law of exponent. So, copy natin yung base. So, we have x. Then, subtract natin yung exponent. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Kaya x squared. Minus 8x squared divided by 4x. So, the answer is 2x. So, bakit 2x? Kasi 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Then, apply natin yung law of exponent. So, copy the base. So, we have x. Then, subtract the exponent. 2 minus 1. So, we have 1. So, the final answer is x squared minus 2x. Example number 2. So again, we need to divide each term of the polynomial by the given divisor. So divide natin siya sa 3xy. So we have 6x squared y squared divided by 3xy plus 12xy squared divided by 3xy minus 9x squared y divided by 3xy. So, simplify muna natin ito. 6x squared y squared over 3xy. So, divide natin yung numerical coefficient, 6 divided by 3. So, we have 2. Then, apply natin yung law of exponent. So, copy natin yung base. So, we have x. Subtract natin yung exponent. 2 minus 1. So, we have 1. Then, copy y. So, 2 minus 1 again. So, we have 1. So, pag 1 ang exponent, hindi na natin isusulat. So, we have 2xy. Next, plus 12xy squared divided by 3xy. So, divide muna natin yung numerical coefficient. 12 divided by 3. So, we have 4. Then, xy squared divided by xy, we have y. So, bakit y na lang? Kasi, ito, x divided by x is x raised to 1 minus 1. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, x raised to 0. And that is equal to 1. Minus now, 9x squared y divided by 3xy. So, divide natin yung numerical coefficient. So, we have 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then, x squared y divided by xy is equal to x. So, this is now the final answer, 2xy plus 4y minus 3x. Next is dividing polynomial by a polynomial. So to divide a polynomial by a polynomial, simply follow the procedure in dividing numbers by long division. Example number 1. 2x squared plus 5x minus 42 divided by x plus 6. So, kailangan sulat muna natin sa long division form na yung mga terms ay naka-arrange in descending order. So, we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 42 divided by x plus 6. So, divide na natin yung first term ng dividend sa first term ng divisor. So, that is 2x squared divided by x. And the answer is 2x. Next, multiply natin yung 2x sa x plus 6. So, 2x times x, the answer is 2x squared. So, sulat natin dito kasi similar terms sila. Then, 2x times 6 is positive 12x. Then, the next step is isubtract natin yung 2x squared plus 12x from 2x squared plus 5x. So, sa rules ng subtraction, kailangan natin i-change ang sign ng subtrahend. So, ito magiging negative 2x squared. Then, from positive, magiging negative. Then, proceed tayo sa addition. So, 2x squared plus negative 2x squared. So, this is 0. Then, positive 5x plus negative 12x. The answer is negative 7x. Then, bring down negative 42. So, negative 7x divided by x. So, the answer is negative 7. Then, negative 7 multiplied natin sa x plus 6. So, negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Then, negative 7 times 6, we have negative 42. Then, subtract natin yung negative 7x minus 42 from negative 7x minus 42. So, the answer is 0. So, the final answer, 2x minus 7. Number 2. So, first, sulat muna natin sa long division form. So, 10x squared plus 15x plus 20 divided by 5x plus 5. So, divide natin yung first term ng dividend sa first term ng divisor. So, that is 10x squared divided by 5x. So, the answer is 2x. Next, multiply natin yung 2x sa divisor. So, we have 2x times 5x plus 5. So 2x times 5x, the answer is 10x squared. So sulat natin dito kasi like terms sila. Then 2x times 5, the answer is 10x. So again, dito nakasulat kasi similar sila. Next step, subtract natin yung 10x squared plus 10x from 10x squared plus 15x. So, rules ng subtraction, kailangan mag-change tayo ng sign ng subtrahend. So, from positive, magiging negative. From positive, change natin to negative. Then, proceed tayo sa addition. So, 10x squared plus negative 10x squared, 0 to. Then, positive 15x plus negative 10x, ang answer ay positive 5x. Kasi unlike sign, so subtract natin, then copy natin yung sign. So, that's why the answer is 5x. Then, bring down 20. So, 5x now divided by 5x. So, since pwede pa natin i-divide, so 5x divided by 5x, the answer is, okay, so 1. Next step, multiply natin yung 1 sa 5x plus 5. So, 1 times 5x, the answer is 5x. So, lagay natin dito kasi similar terms sila. Then, 1 times positive 5, the answer is positive 5. So, subtract natin. So, change natin yung sign from positive, magiging negative. Okay, so from positive, magiging negative. Then from ito, positive, magiging negative. Then proceed tayo sa addition. So 5x plus negative 5x, so this will be 0. Then positive 20 plus negative 5, the answer is positive 15. So ito, remainder na natin kasi hindi na tayo pwedeng mag-divide sa 5x. So, 15 divided by 5x, hindi na natin pwedeng i-divide. So, ito na yung remainder. So, pag sinulat ang remainder plus 15, then copy lang natin yung divisor. So, we have 5x plus 5. So, the final answer is 2x plus 1 plus 15 over 5x plus 5. So, thank you for watching and happy learning.